Jai Gurudev students. Into the previous class, we understood about the Python, what is the Python and its uses, and also we learn its advantages. Now, into the today class, we going to understand about the how to installing Python. So, in a Python language, if you want to create any program, so first you have to install the Python. So there are some steps. So you understood first the steps how to installing Python. So there are two steps only. First is download Python distribution, and second is Python installation process. So we will first how to download Python distribution. So you can download Python distribution from the link given below. This is the link. From there you able to access the Python distribution. This is the link http www.python.org downloads. So by this link you can easily download the Python. So when you type into the URL, you will get the Python distribution. Clear? This is the there you able to see the download the latest version for Windows. So into this application will be appear from that link, and this is the MSI installer. Clear? So you will get the latest version from this window, and simple you click on the download Python. So now the Python installation process. Now the second step is Python installation process. So by this link you will able to download the Python, and second step is Python installation process. So how you can install the process? So double click the icon labeling the file which version you have been installed. So that exe file, on that exe file you will double click. So on this when you double click on that particular file, so one pop-up window will be appear. This pop-up window will be appear. So simple, into this window you will select the run option. So click on the run option. So when you click on the run option, so the installing process will be start. So this setup pop-up window will be appear. Clear? When you click on the run button, so this window will be appear. Clear? Students, you can also select the Python version of 62-bit version, 64-bit version. Clear? It comes into 32-bit or 64-bit. So you can also download the 64-bit version according to your operating system. Clear, student? Okay. So this installation process will be start. Okay, installing Python, how it will be installed? If the Python installer find an earlier version, means if any Python version is already installed into your operating system, so the computer installation will be execute the upgrade, otherwise it will execute the install now message. Okay? and user account control pop-up window will be appears. Then the user pop-up window will be appear, and simple you will click on the yes button. So the installing Python process will be going to start. So new Python version pop-up window will be appear with a setup, progress, message and progress bar. This is your progress bar. So it will be start, and soon a new Python version setup pop-up window will be appear with a setup was successfully message. So if and there will be no any problem, so it will execute that message setup was successfully, otherwise it will execute some errors. Okay, so this window should be appear. So and according to this window your Python has been installed. Okay, so simple, you will close this, click on the close button. So your Python will be successfully installed into your operating system. So these all are the steps of installing Python into operating system. So you also note down how to install the Python. So you will first write the installing Python. There are two steps: download Python distribution, Python installation process. So this is your Python distribution link. You will note down the Python distribution link and only you will make this window. Okay, students.